Good morning, children. We were studying balancing equation. Two, three examples I have shown you. I have told you that in our next class also I will explain balancing equation. Okay. So two more examples we can study, and in your exercise questions, some questions are given to balance the equation. Go through that. Okay. And if you understand this much, what I have taught you, okay, then you will be able to solve all that balancing questions. Okay, it is very simple topic, but it is one of the very important topic in this chapter. Okay, 10 mark question is sure in board exam from this portion. Okay, so next example I am going to show is this one. As2O3 arsenic oxide plus SnCl2 tin chloride plus HCl gives SnCl4 plus As plus H2O. Tin chloride plus As plus H2O. This is the reaction. And so this is a skeleton equation. Skeleton equation means a equation which is not balanced. Okay, so now we are going to balance our equation. So listen in this here. Okay, so what is given? Equation I have written here, and I have written that the table elements, reactant, product. So elements I have mentioned here. Which all are the elements in the LHS? Same elements will be present in the RHS also. Okay, so in the reactant side, how many arsenic atoms are there? 2 arsenic atoms are there in the reactant side, and in the product side, how many are there? Only 1 arsenic atom. Okay, 1. Then next, oxygen. How many oxygen atoms are there? 3 oxygen in the reactant side, and how many are there in the product side? 1. Only in 1 water, right? Only 1 oxygen in the product side. Okay, then next one. How many tin atoms? Sn means tin. Okay, how many Sn atoms are there? Only 1 atom in the reactant side, and only 1 atom in the product side also. Okay, then chlorine. How many chlorine atoms are there? 2 over here and 1 in HCl. So 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, 3 chlorine atom in the reactant side, and here 4 chlorine atom in the product side. Okay, then how many hydrogen atoms are there? In HCl, 1 in HCl in the reactant side, and 2 in H2O, 2 in the product side. So this is our table we have completed. So which is the way of balancing? First we will balance all the metals, then we will balance all the non-metals, then we will balance oxygen, then we will balance hydrogen. Okay, so in the case of metals or in the case of non-metals, if there are more than one elements are present, if more than one metals are there, we have to balance according to their alphabetical order. Okay, so here which all are the metals? Arsenic is a metal and tin is also a metal. 2 metals are there. So we have to balance according to their alphabetical order. A. Then also tin is already balanced 1 1. Tin is already balanced here. Okay. Only arsenic you have to balance arsenic. 2 in the reactant side and 1 in the product side. How you will balance? Multiply with 2. What you have to multiply with 2? In the product side arsenic is there. Arsenic you have to multiply with 2. So that I am writing here. Okay, multiply arsenic with 2. So I will write it. Wait. So now you listen. So after multiplying arsenic with 2, how it will come? The equation will come as As2O3 plus SnCl2 plus HCl gives SnCl4 plus 2 into As, because we have multiplied with 2. So 2 into As plus H2O. So this is our equation. And I have taken the table. Then it came as arsenic. Now arsenic is balanced. Then Sn, tin is also already balanced, right? So next what also? All the metals are balanced now, right? So metals are balanced. So next we have to go to our non-metal. Non-metal, oxygen and hydrogen we will balance separately. So the remaining non-metal present is chlorine. Okay, so next we are going to balance chlorine. So in which side chlorine is less? In the reactant side, right? Product side it is 4, reactant side it is 3. So see here, In the reactant side, chlorine is present in more than 2 places, one in SnCl2 and another in HCl. So in more than one place chlorine is present. So if we are balancing one, all the elements will get distracted, all the other atoms will get distracted. So in this condition, in such cases, what we will do, that element we will balance at the last only. We will balance the remaining atoms, and at last only we will balance our chlorine. So we are leaving chlorine here, and we will balance oxygen and hydrogen, and at last we will come to chlorine. Automatically chlorine will get balanced. Okay, so we are going to balance oxygen and hydrogen, and at last we will balance chlorine. So next, metal, non-metal, oxygen. So next we are going to balance oxygen. Since chlorine it is difficult to balance, we are going to balance oxygen next. Okay, so oxygen, which side it is less? In product side it is less. Reactant side 3 oxygens are there, product side only 1 oxygen is there. So how we will balance? Multiply with 3. So where oxygen is present? In water molecule oxygen is present. So multiply H2O with 3. That is our next step. So I am writing here, multiply H2O with which number? With 3. So I will write it and then I will show you. So after multiplying our H2O with 3, our equation will come like this. As a result, arsenic is already balanced in the above equation, oxygen is balanced now, Sn is balanced in the skeleton equation itself. So now 3 elements are balanced. So chlorine we will balance at last, already mentioned, right? So next one is hydrogen. So since we have multiplied here with 3, that time what happens? Hydrogen became 6, right? 3 2s are 6. So now 6 hydrogen atoms are there in the reactant product side, and only 1 hydrogen atom in the product side. So how hydrogen can become 6? Multiply with 6. So how we will multiply? What we will multiply here? Multiply HCl with 6. So next step is multiply HCl with 6. So how it will come? Same here I am writing here. Okay, just for our easiness I am writing, multiplying here only 6 HCl. So our equation, equation, how it will come? Element, reactant, product, arsenic, oxygen, tin, chlorine and hydrogen. Now arsenic is 2, then oxygen is 3 Sn, tin is 1, chlorine. Now chlorine, you see chlorine, how many are there in the reactant side? When we multiplied with 6, here chlorine already 2 in the SnCl, 2 plus 6. So 6 plus 2, 8 chlorines are there, right? 6 plus 2, 8 chlorines are there in the reactant side, and here only 4 chlorine in the product side. 4 chlorine in the product side. And how many hydrogen atoms are there? Hydrogen atom now 6 in the reactant side, as well as 3 2s are 6 in the product side. So now hydrogen is balanced. 6 hydrogen is balanced. So now all elements are balanced. Arsenic balanced, oxygen balanced, tin balanced, hydrogen balanced, but chlorine is not balanced. Okay, so now we are going to balance chlorine. So now all of you should listen carefully. Okay, so which is our equation here? So we have to balance what? We have to balance chlorine. Okay, so here it is 6 plus 2 8, here only 4. So we can make it as 8. So here only chlorine, in the reactant side 8 are there, product side 4 are there. How you can balance it? Multiply here with 2. So here also 8 will come, right? But if I am multiplying here with 2, listen carefully, if I am multiplying here with 2, what happens? Sn will become 2. Sn will become 2. Okay, Sn will become 2, and here also. So at the reactant side also I will multiply, that time Sn will, here also Sn will become 2, right? Both side 2 will come. But what happened to the chlorine? Here 2 2s are 4 chlorine, 4 plus 6 10 chlorine will come. Chlorine will become unbalanced. Chlorine will become 10 here, but here only 8 is coming. So we cannot multiply with 2. Understand? See, if I have to make it as 8, I will multiply with 2, right? That time 4 into 2, 8 will come. So now chlorine is balanced, but our tin became unbalanced. Tin will become 2 in the product side, but in the reactant side only 1 tin is there. So here I will multiply with 2. Now tin is balanced, 2 tin here, 2 tin here. But what happened to chlorine? Chlorine will become 2 2s are 4 plus 6, 10 in the reactant side, but 8 in the product side. So we cannot multiply with 2. 2, when we will multiply with 2, tin will become balanced, but chlorine will become unbalanced. So it is not possible. So instead of 2, we are taking the next element, which is the next number after 2, it is 3. Multiplying with 3. Okay, just our method is, what is our method? Trial method, no? So we are doing trial. So many trial we are doing. So next we will multiply with 3. So what it will come? Multiply SnCl with 3. That time here chlorine 4. 3 4s are 12 chlorine came. Right? 4 3s are 12 chlorine came in the reactant product side. But here how many are there? Only 6 chlorine plus 2 only. Right? But here how many Sn are there? Only 3 Sn. So again I am changing it as 3. Okay. So now Sn is 3 here. 3 Sn, 3 Sn. Okay. See, 3 in the reactant side, 3 in the product side. Then chlorine, how it will come? 3 2s are 6 plus 6 12. 12 chlorine in the product side, reactant side. Same way 4 3s are 12 chlorine in the product side also. So now chlorine is also balanced, Sn is also balanced. Okay. First you have to try with 2. If 2 it is not coming, multiply with 3. Okay. So if 3 it is not coming, multiply with 4. Like that, when you will multiply it, you will get a correct number. Okay. So like this way when you will do, we will get the balanced equation. This is hit and trial method. Okay. So after doing so many trials, we will get a proper answer. So here when we will multiply with 2, we will not get the correct answer. But when we will multiply with 3, we will get the correct answer. So this is the balanced equation. What is the balanced equation? AS2O3 plus 3SnCl2 plus 6HCl gives 3SnCl4 plus 2As arsenic plus 3H2O. This is our balanced equation. Okay. So this much only our balancing. Go through this one. This is very important topic. Okay. And if you understood this much, your remaining exercise questions will be easy for you. Okay. Go through your exercise questions. Okay. Solve all that exercise question. That means all that balance the equation question as your project. That is your project. Okay. I will give it in your Lofty. I will add your project work. Okay. All of you should go through, do it as a project work in your notebook itself. Don't want to do in file. Okay. In your notebook itself, I have to see. Okay. That's all. Thank you.